So getting ready, got my bags packed, leaving James's apartment now. It's been an awesome few days hanging out with you. The other guys actually left this morning. They flew down to El Nido, and I'm going to meet up with my friend Eliana, and we're gonna go travel to Coron. We're gonna take a ferry there. I believe it's gonna take 17 or 18 hours, but we're gonna go meet up with her now. Let's go. All right, I think I made it. And this guy wants a picture. They're asking me to take a picture of them. That was a journey to get here, but I finally arrived. And to be honest, I wouldn't have found this place if it wasn't for an app called Maps.me. And if you plan on traveling and you have never heard of this app, I highly recommend it. I've recommended it in other videos before, but I can't recommend it enough. I was using Google Maps to get here. Well, I took an Uber, and with every other map application, Google Maps, Waze, regular maps on your phone, it actually said, I don't know if you can see, but there's a river right here, and it said the location for the place I was trying to get to, which is called Atienza Shipping Lines, is on the other side of the river. But it's not. So according to Google Maps, this place is over there, but it's really over here. And it was so frustrating and confusing, but thanks to Maps.me, we found the right place. And if you've never heard of this Maps.me, it's one of the biggest benefits of using Maps.me is you can download a local map. So you can download a map of Philippines and you can use the GPS services with no Wi-Fi, no internet access. So that's a huge help. But it's also really cool because anybody can pinpoint a location. So while Google Maps says this location is over there, it's wrong. And other travelers use this app and they said this is the real location, so come here. I'm just so happy to be here. My friend Eliana is inside. I'll go in there in a sec. And I'm gonna be traveling all over the Philippines with her. So I'm very excited. I just met up with her. She's an awesome girl. And she was staying in a hostel, so there's a bunch of other people. I think it's like 5 or 6 other people she's with, and we're all getting on this ferry together. It's gonna be an 18-hour ferry ride from here. We're now in Manila to Coron. I'm very excited to get there. I'm sure the journey is gonna be interesting, and we're taking you with us, so let's go. So we made it on the ship. This ferry is very interesting. Check this out. The lower deck is all just cargo and stuff they're shipping to the islands, and the upper deck are just bunk beds, a lot of bunk beds, and this is where the people just sleep. I don't think there's any other travelers, backpackers on this ship. It's all just locals, and it's pretty cool. It's definitely gonna be an interesting experience. And this right here is gonna be my travel buddy for a little bit. Introduce yourself, girl.
I'm Eliana. Yeah, I met Stephen back in Pi in October last year, 2017, and yeah, I've kept in touch since.
Now we are in the Philippines.
2 months ahead of beach bumming.
Yeah, we got 2 months of traveling around this beautiful country. I'm very excited.
Yes.
And this is definitely going to be an interesting ride.
Very interesting. 17 hours. What's gonna happen?
Yeah,
Man overboard.
So this is a very long ride, so if you do come on this boat, I would suggest bringing some food. They do have some available, but it's just like noodles, like instant noodles. They have chicken wings, which you get 1 chicken wing and some rice, which they're making some rice now, so I'm gonna get some in a little bit. But not much to choose from, so I would suggest bringing some food if you come on this trip. All right, good morning. Survived the night. It was all right, sleeping in these beds, not too bad. And as you can probably hear, there's like 4 different people playing music as loud as they possibly can right now. But I think we only have a few more hours, and then we're at the island. And I can actually see some of the islands around here, and they look beautiful. So I'm excited to get there. I'll see you there. All right, we made it to Coron. Woohoo! So as you can see from that little awning right there, the main ferry that comes in here is operated by a company that's called To Go Travel. So if you go online and you're trying to get here, that's the one, that's the most popular one. But if you're interested and taking a local ride with some of the local people. The one we went on is called Atienzas Shipping Lines, and it was about 1,000 pesos, which is the equivalent to $20 US. 17-hour journey, and it wasn't bad. Now we've made it, and I have no idea what we do now, but we'll figure it out.
How many people?
7. Come with you. Alright, so we found a ride on this trike. So we're gonna go into town and try to find a place to stay. We don't have anything booked, but I'm sure we could find something.
Hello, my friend.
Hello! Alright, so they dropped us off in town, but apparently everything is full. It's a very full, packed place, but we just got word that one place is open, so we're gonna go see if there's availability for all 7. There's 7 of us in this group that we're hanging out together, and we're gonna go see if we can find a place together. All right, we found a room. Your name's Dan, right?
Yeah, it is.
Dan, this is Dan.
Yo,
Dan the man. Where you from?
England.
England. So we're all bunking up tonight. We found a place. It's 300 pesos, which is $9 a person. All right, we're all settled in. Got some food, so we're feeling a little better moods now. I'm switching over to the GoPro because we might get a little wet. Where are we going, Eliana?
I don't know how to pronounce it, but some sort of hot spring on the east of this Coron Island.
Yeah, we're going to hot springs. Let's go check it out. So we made it back to the room, about to go get some food. This is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed traveling with us today. Tomorrow is gonna be really exciting. We are gonna be renting a private boat, going to tour some islands and some beautiful places around here, and I'm very excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited!
But this is where we're ending today's vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one.